Welcome to the machine overview for the Formlabs Resin 3D printer. This is the interface for the Resin 3D printer. Open it and just lift up. Just take your build plate off. Simply push up on the latch, pull towards you, make sure it's clean. As soon as you put it back on, you'll hear a clicking noise and push down. This is your tank for the resin. The resin tank is for clear resin. If you would like to switch it out, please talk to a supervisor. And then close the lid and click, yes, it's ready. The only resin you can use for the Formlabs is the Formlabs Resin. I'm now going to show you how to load the resin into the machine. To load the resin, simply push the cap open. There's a notch on the back. Slowly slide it in, and you'll hear a clicking noise when done. Once your cartridge is loaded, it'll show on the interface what kind of resin you have and how much resin you have left. On the interface, if everything is blue, then you're all good to start your print. To start your print, simply click the 3 bars button, click the print, and you're all ready to go. In the hands-on training, we'll go over how to load your print into the machine.